Welcome. If you're using Telegram on your PC and want to easily find all the attachments shared in any chat, the latest update makes it super simple. Here's how you can quickly access photos, videos, files, and more, all organized neatly in one place. First, open your Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in so you can access your chats. Next, find the chat where the attachments you want are located. This could be a private conversation, a group, or a channel. Scroll through the list on the left side or use the search feature to quickly locate the chat. Once you've opened the chat, look at the top of the window and click on the chat's name. This will open the contact or group information page. Now in this info section, you'll see several options like videos, photos, files, and more. These categories collect all attachments of that type shared within the chat. Simply click on the category you want. For example, photos if you're looking for images, or files if you want to find documents. Telegram will then display all attachments of that kind, making it easy to browse through everything without endless scrolling. You can click on any attachment to view it or download it directly to your PC for offline use. This feature is perfect for staying organized and quickly finding that important file or memorable photo. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you can effortlessly access all shared attachments in any Telegram chat on your PC using the latest update. Thanks for watching.